All right, if you like easy slow cooker meals, then this one is for you. I'm making swamp potatoes in the slow cooker today, and it is delicious. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, I've got about a pound, maybe a pound and a half of these yellow potatoes. I'm just feeding 3 people here, so if you're feeding more people, then you can always add more potatoes. But I like these because you don't have to peel them. So I'm just cutting them into quarters. Although this one's small enough, I'll just cut it in half. All right, and then we're just gonna place these in the slow cooker. All right, I've got a massive yellow onion here. I'm only gonna use about half of this. All right, I'm just going to cut this into large, like a large dice. I'm gonna add the onion. We like onion, so if you don't want to use as much, then you don't have to. Okay, next goes in the green beans. Now, you can use fresh, you can use frozen, or you can use canned. These are actually the French style green beans, but use whatever you like. Okay, then I'm going to use a 12-ounce package of the beef kielbasa, but listen, you can use chicken if you want. If you prefer to use chicken, you can do that. And I'm just going to cut these into little coins. All right, then in goes the kielbasa. Then I'm going to use a packet of ranch seasoning mix. This came from Aldi, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over top. Okay, the last ingredient is 1 stick of butter. And I'm just going to place that right on top. Then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cook this on low for 4 to 6 hours or high for 6 to 8 hours. I'm sorry, let me reverse that. I'm going to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 6 hours. Dinner is ready. Come and check this out. Yum, yum. Oh, yeah. This is so good and so easy. You've got to give this a try. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.